Hey there guys, it's your favorite backyard geographer. As we previously learned, minerals can be identified based on their physical properties. But minerals can also be categorized as being silicate or non-silicate. So let's learn about the difference between silicate and non-silicate minerals. To begin, let's identify some differences between silicate and non-silicate minerals. So, silicates are minerals that have silicon as part of their chemistry. Silicates form 90% of the Earth's crust. Lighter colored silicate minerals are called felsic minerals as they lack iron and magnesium. Darker colored silicate minerals are called mafic minerals as they do have iron and magnesium. Now with non-silicate minerals, these are minerals that do not have silicon as part of their chemistry. Non-silicate minerals can also be broken down further into 6 smaller groups, such as oxides, sulfides, sulfates, halides, carbonates, and native elements such as copper. So how do silicate minerals form? Silicate minerals form when molten material cools and crystallizes. The pyramid observed in the right consists of silica and oxygen. It's the building block for all silicate minerals. Note how the silicon element is in the middle, and then on the outside are 4 oxygen molecules. That bond is called a silicate tetrahedron, and this is truly the building block for all silicate minerals. Well, how do non-native silicate minerals form? Non-silicate minerals form often in sedimentary, and some, not many, form also in metamorphic rock. Many non-silicate minerals have economic value as they provide metallic resources such as copper, lead, and iron. So the next question would be, is it a silicate or a non-silicate? So before we begin, I wanted to provide some examples of different specimens. What's interesting is that silica is not available in the normal environment. So this is an actual piece of solid silicon that was pulled out by the chemist, by a scientist. Now, I have 4 samples that I wanted to share with you. And the question is it a silicate or a non-silicate? So the first thing I'm going to show you is this specimen here. If we notice some of its physical properties, it's very, very heavy, it's metallic in luster. This is known as galena. Is it a silicate or a non-silicate? The next sample I have is a really shiny, pretty piece, very glassy. We see that it has conchoidal fracturing. We do know it's pink, but the main piece here is that this is a piece of rose quartz. Is it a silicate or a non-silicate? The next sample I have, notice its unique geometric design. You can see that it forms and develops in cube shapes. This one, luckily for us, is salty. This is known as halite. Is it a silicate or a non-silicate? And the last one I'll share with you, again a crystalline shape, purple in color. You can see that they're single terminal pieces, so that they're adhered. This is known as amethyst. Is it a silicate or a non-silicate? Be sure to put your answer below. Hope this was helpful, and we'll talk soon.